In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to directly email a Google Slides presentation with ease. Whether you're looking to share your work with colleagues, clients, or just want a smooth way to distribute your slides, this guide will help you do just that in a few simple steps. First, begin by opening the Google Slides presentation you wish to share. Once your presentation is open and you've ensured everything is just the way you'd like it, you'll navigate to the top menu bar. There, you'll see the File option. Click on File and then hover or scroll down to find the Email menu. Within this, you'll select Email this file. Now, you have some choices to make. You can send your presentation as an attachment or opt to send it as a link. Let's break down these options. Sending as an attachment means your presentation will be converted into a file format like a PDF or a PowerPoint file. This is particularly handy if you want the recipient to view the presentation offline or if they're using different software to access it. To proceed with sending as an attachment, you'll need to choose the specific file type. Options typically include PDF or PowerPoint, and sometimes even plain text. Select the format that best suits your needs. Additionally, there's often an option to send yourself a copy. This can be a useful step if you want to keep track of what you sent or ensure it was delivered correctly. On the other hand, if you decide to send your presentation as a link, this method allows the recipient to access the slideshow directly in Google Slides. This is a great choice if you're collaborating with others on the slide deck or need ongoing feedback. When sending a link, you also have control over who can access the presentation and what level of interaction they can have. You can specify whether to allow view-only access, commenting, or even editing capabilities. Moreover, you can choose to share the link with anyone who has it or restrict it to specific individuals. Once you've made your choice, it's time to fill out the email details. Enter the recipient's email address, write an appropriate subject line, and of course, don't forget to include a message in the body. This personal touch can help provide context or instructions related to the slides you're sharing. Finally, after everything has been filled out to your satisfaction, click on Send. And there you have it. You've successfully emailed your Google Slides presentation. Remember, these steps are all about making sharing effortless and maintaining control over your digital work. Whether you choose an attachment or a link, you can easily tailor the delivery to fit your audience's needs. Thanks for joining me today, and good luck with your next presentation.